Hey YouTube, it's Michael Lambert here. I'm back once again with another reaction video. Once again, I'm reacting to the Southern snack in this video. Dairy Queen, Midnight, Truffle, Blizzard, and Georgia Mud, Fudge, Blizzard review, Carolina Mall. This is one of the new ones that he uploaded yesterday, and I'm going to react to it right now. And if any notifications pop up during the video, I apologize. I will take care of them. Now let's get to this video.
Yeehaw! Welcome back to the Southern Snack, where life is too short to be serious. We're digging back into the vault of Dairy Queen again.
Oh my. And wow.
Sir. Well, I keep going to this mall in Carolina called the Carolina Mall. It's just north of just north of Charlotte.
Okay.
It's in Kannapolis, North Carolina.
Wow.
And what's it got going on, you may wonder? Well, I'll tell you, because you want to know, right?
Right.
You do? Okay, you do. So, there's this, the menu is just outdated. It's out of place, outdated. It is ancient. It is history.
Oh my.
But that's the gem about it. People love it. People just, they come to this Dairy Queen and they enjoy it because you can't, I mean, a lot of these you can make yourself. Like, you can tell them, I want this and this and this in your Blizzard.
Okay,
but
and
it's easier just to walk up, say, I want this Blizzard. They ring it up and they got it for you. So, we got
That's
two
cool.
more. We got the Midnight Truffle and the Georgia Mud Fudge. So
wow, that's cool.
we're gonna get through all of the ones that they don't currently have. Okay.
Okay, and wow.
It's gonna be a done deal. So we'll start with Midnight Truffle. As simple as dark chocolate and Midnight Truffles mixed in there. So
Okay.
cocoa truffles. Let's try it.
Okay.
Yeah, you can just from the base. You can taste the difference from their usual chocolate.
I bet.
Blizzard.
I bet.
The truffles are gooey.
I bet. And wow.
They melt in your mouth.
Wow. I bet they do.
This one's very simple.
I bet.
And creamy.
I bet.
And chocolatey.
I bet it is chocolatey.
Maybe not chocolatey enough at some points.
Oh my.
And overly chocolatey at others.
Okay. And wow.
That's
And oh
very,
my.
it's very solid.
I bet it is solid. Very solid. And wow.
I'm thinking 7.5 here. Ooh.
7.5?
Yep.
Wow.
Some chocolate. And Georgia Mud Fudge is more complicated.
Okay.
This one's got cocoa. It's got hot fudge.
Okay.
It's supposed to have walnuts and supposed to have brownies. So
Okay.
looks like it has
Wow.
brownie. I'm not sure it will have walnuts, but I think it does. Wow. Okay.
Okay.
I'm thinking it does.
Hold on, everyone. Let me check on Snoopy. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that, everybody. And if you saw that flash in the background, it's storming in my area. Sorry about that, everybody.
Yeah. Now this one's got a lot going on. Chunky,
I bet. And wow.
chocolatey,
I bet. And wow.
fudgy.
I bet. And wow.
Now this one throughout, this is just a bit too chocolatey.
Oh my.
But I love the walnuts.
I bet. I bet.
Joy and satisfaction.
I bet.
And it's got cocoa, a little cocoa flakes, for lack of a better term.
I bet. And wow. And cool.
Yeah, this is good.
I bet it is good.
Outside of it being too chocolatey, I wish the brownie pieces were a
Yeah.
little bit more present. But this one's really solid.
I bet.
Interesting that they got rid of it. They could really just bring it back.
Yeah.
Change the name of it so
Yeah.
people know what it is. Like, do walnut brownie. Make it simple.
Yeah.
But I'm going to give it 8.5. So,
8.5.
once again,
Wow.
it was a pleasure. And we'll be back at some point. We're always in Charlotte. We're not always at this Dairy Queen. But I love coming to this mall. I love going to this Dairy Queen. And you know, at some point, we'll be back.
Right. And wow. An awesome video. I give it a thumbs up. And I hope you all enjoyed this reaction video. If you're all new to my channel or to the Southern Snacks channel, make sure you guys subscribe. Give both our videos a thumbs up. Hit the notification bell to let you guys know we both post. And share both of our videos with your friends and family members too, please everybody. And on my channel, we are on the road to 10,000 subscribers. And please help me bring my views and watch hours up on my channel by taking a look at my other videos that are on the 3 playlists that are on my channel. And give them a thumbs up and share them with your friends and family members too, please everybody. I'll really appreciate it. And please help me bring my subscriber count up on my channel as well. Also, please everybody, I'll really definitely appreciate that too. And please help me accomplish my goal to get 10,000 subscribers or more on my channel as well. Also, please everybody, I would really appreciate it. And the link to the Southern Snacks original video will be down in the description down below. I just thought I'd let everybody know about that. And I'm off now, so until next time, see ya!